Good afternoon, welcome. This is Waec Literature in English past question year 2019. Question number 43 says the speaker is addressing dash. This means that who is the speaker talking to? Who? The question who the speaker is talking to. So that is this expression here, or this citation from at first scene 2 as used in the text titled Othello by William Shakespeare, that is Grattanio is talking to who? Option A, Duke and others, that is the ruler of Venice and others. Then B, Emilia happened to be the wife of Lago in the text, and Lago happened to be an ancient senator. Take note of that. C, the Senate. Then D, Lodovico. The correct option here is option B. So Grattanio was actually talking to Emilia, who happened to be the wife of Lago, so that Emilia will have an understanding of the position that is about to take, or why he's angry against Othello, who happened to be the protagonist of the text at that time. Thank you and God bless you. Kindly subscribe for more of our videos.